Welcome to our office and work life session. In this video, we'll be exploring essential phrases for navigating the daily life of work and the office environment. Mastering these phrases will help you communicate effectively in various workplace situations. Let's dive in with the first 10 essential phrases. Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all doing well today. Let's kick off the meeting with a quick agenda review. Could you please provide a status update on your current projects? I'd like to discuss the upcoming deadlines for this week. Is everyone clear on their roles and responsibilities for the upcoming project? Thank you for your hard work and dedication to this project. We need to brainstorm some new ideas for our next marketing campaign. Let's schedule a follow-up meeting to review our progress. Does anyone have any questions or concerns they'd like to address? Don't forget to submit your expense reports by the end of the week. These expressions cover a range of topics commonly encountered in the workplace. By familiarizing yourself with these phrases, you'll enhance your effectiveness and productivity at work.